Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can send cryptocurrency on your Venmo account. Follow these simple steps. First, navigate to the crypto tab, open the Venmo app and go to the crypto section by selecting the crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. To view your crypto in this section, you'll able to see all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold in your Venmo account. Select transfer option, tap on the transfer arrows, initiate the transfer. Send crypto. You can either send the crypto to another Venmo user by selecting their account or send it to an external wallet by entering the recipient wallet address. If you're sending crypto to an external wallet like PayPal or another exchange, you'll need to manually enter the recipient wallet address. Receive crypto. To receive crypto, tap on the receive and share your unique QR code with the sender. Important: be sure to double check the recipient details, especially when sending crypto to an external wallet, as transfers are irreversible. Guys, if you find this guide useful, so please like this video and bye bye and take care.